Hi guys, it's Friday, July 8th. I decided to pick up the camera. I think I'm gonna have to go to like every other week type of vlogs for now. And obviously it might change, it's thundering right now, but just went on a run. It's about 2 o'clock. Made some breakfast, made some lunch. Classic avocado toast. Not quite sure what I'm doing tonight, but just wanted to vlog maybe this weekend. Don't have any plans yet, but it could get interesting. Not really sure. I also ordered a lot of things, so I will do a little haul there. So I'm gonna eat. I wanted to show you guys my little plants that I just got. It's pouring, so I'm letting them get some water. One is jalapeno, one's banana peppers, and then that's like a pothos plant. So hopefully I don't kill them and I can enjoy them. I am also putting together an Atlanta spot master list of all my favorite places, coffee, dinner. I break it down. So I have brunch, sushi, coffee, Italian, pizza, casual lunch / healthy, ice cream, Thai, drinks, other dinner, date night spots, Mexican, suburbs, restaurants, and rooftops. So I'm gonna find some way to put this on my Instagram and save it so everyone can at least reference it if you're visiting Atlanta or you live here and you wanna check some new places out. I'm a big foodie, so this is my jam. So I'm gonna work on this. It is so nasty outside. All right, I just took a shower and posted the, oh no, I'm getting a call. Anyways, posted the Atlanta like master list that I just have of like all my favorite places to go in Atlanta. So I posted that on my Instagram, just at Olivia Stanzial. It's on my highlight. I'll keep it up there and like continue to add to it. But I ordered a bunch of stuff. So I just thought I would show you guys what I got this week. Excuse me, I'm in my robe. But the first thing I got these like little Zara kitten heels. I got them in a size 39. And let's see what they're called. Because it doesn't really matter what size I got. It doesn't say what they're called, but my roommate has them. She said they're really comfy and I needed like a summer little heel. The way I have my camera set up is on top of a candle and it's very risky, but the next thing, oh, I ordered more of Sivan Ayla's brand. It's her tanning like gradual lotion it's called Luxe Unfiltered. I ran out of it. I love it. It's so natural. I think I've talked about it before. So I ordered more. And of course, I wanted to get the Santal scent as opposed to the Rosewood, which is what the original one was. But I ordered it too soon and I think Santal just came out right after I ordered it. So whatever, I'll definitely purchase more. And then I got a package from Aritzia. I just wanted to order like some everyday like small tanks. I feel like I don't have that. And they come so fast. They come in like 2 or 3 days and it's like Amazon for clothes. All right, so I'm pretty sure I got, 3 same product, different colors. So I got the Sunday Best Honor tank, all in extra smalls. I got it in the black. I got it in, it says denude, so like a nude color. Did I get 4? I did not mean to get, okay, anyways. Got one in white and then they sent me, I gotta see if I accidentally ordered this, another black one. I'm confused. There's no receipt. Well, anyways, I have a few more things coming in, so hopefully they'll come in this weekend and I can vlog them as well. Yeah, now I think I'm gonna get ready. I'm going to dinner tonight, hopefully to my favorite sushi place. And I'm so excited. It's called 8 Sushi. If you know, you know. And if you know to get the little tuna crisps with truffle on them and the matcha margarita. And if you didn't know, now you know. So definitely check that out. I also have this mega zip coming through, but it's like underground. So I can't really do anything about it, at least as far as I know. All right, bye. All right, you guys, so for dinner I'm gonna wear this new little Aritzia tank. Pretty just like simple with these jeans I've shared before are from a Goldie. And those new Zara shoes that I just got. And then I also am wearing the new urban earrings that I got from my last vlog. I'm thinking like this little bag from Free People, or going in a more like street style vibe. I could also do this little like yellow jacket, so I don't know. We'll see. See you at sushi. It is Saturday at 10 a.m. Last night was crazy. We got like my roommate's boyfriend's car out front and my neighbor's car got broken into. Nothing crazy bad happened, but it was still a lot. I'm just waiting for my boyfriend to wake up so that we can go get coffee, and my camera battery is dying, so I'm gonna plug that in and get going with our day. I'm hoping to do some sort of exercise. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday and I definitely have bags under my eyes. I just woke up. It's like 10:45. I'm going to get an iced coffee from Chrome Yellow. Yesterday was just kind of like rainy. My boyfriend taught me how to play poker. We went to Bar Taco, got some lunch, hung out, and then we went to like the best pizza place ever. It's in Atlanta. It's called Antico, and then we got gelato after. Don't know what we'll do today, but maybe play tennis. I'm so tired. Good morning, you guys. It is Tuesday. I think July 13th. Yep, July 13th. I'm on the way to an Orange Theory class, and then I need to pick up my new iPhone from the store. I got right now I have like the 10XS and I've had it for years. It was just time, you know? So gonna pick up I got the iPhone 12 Pro, and I know some people are gonna be like, why don't you just wait till the fall when they release the new one? And I'm over that. I'm not waiting for a certain time of year. I don't care. I'm just gonna get it and it'll be fine. I want like a better camera and things like that. Mine just really isn't cutting it anymore. First world problems. Anyways, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna make some lunch. I think I'm gonna try this TikTok recipe. So I thought I would pick my camera up, bring you guys along for the crazy Tuesday rainy day ride, I mean. All right, I'll see you after my workout class. Did stop at Trader Joe's, got this vegan pesto for my post-doc lunch. Essentially, it's like a pesto chickpea mash, and then they put it on, and then they put like their sandwich toppings. But I'm gonna do like an open face thing on just like an English muffin. So I'm gonna do the chickpea smash and I'll show you how. And then tomato that I got fresh from this market this weekend. And some spinach and maybe some balsamic vinegar. So let's make that. I'm gonna use these Ezekiel English muffins. I don't know why I'm so low, and toast it. And then I'm gonna make the mash. In this bowl, I'm gonna put some chickpeas. About that many chickpeas. And then I'm gonna use the vegan pesto from Trader Joe's. And I'm gonna put like a little dollop of that. Like that much. Maybe a little more. Yeah, okay. And then I'm gonna do oregano and red pepper flakes. And also a little bit of olive oil. Just to make it like more moist. And then just start mashing. So I'm gonna toast the English muffin. This is what the mash looks like. All right, toasted. Now I'm gonna add the mash. Kind of looks like avocado toast. Then I'm gonna add, honestly might not add spinach. I'm just gonna add these tomatoes. It literally is huge. It's so big. Okay, well, that's fine. They're huge. And then I'm gonna do some salt and pepper. And a little balsamic vinegar. Well, the mash is under there somewhere, but we got like a pesto, high protein, and tomato little open face. So let's try. Honestly, really, really good. I'm gonna be good on like a sandwich too, with like romaine, lettuce, and like maybe some avocado. But would recommend. I will probably make this the rest of the week for lunch. So I'm gonna eat this and then do some work. I was just also thinking about this. You could probably take this in a Mediterranean direction, get the vegan tzatziki dip and mash that in instead of the pesto, and do the same thing. I think that would be really good too. I don't know if anyone is as impatient as me, but literally my fruit bowl situation consists of me getting impatient and trying to open things that weren't ready yet. So there's a mango I just tried to open and it wasn't ready, and there's my avocado from yesterday. Oh, and actually I cut into this one too, but it wasn't ready. I mean, is this just me? I feel like I just wasted so much food. Like I'm probably not gonna actually eat any of that now. It just doesn't like taste the same after you open it, you know? I settled on some almond butter and apples though. This will do. So I'm going to get my iPhone. Work is over. And I had this thought that like, when you were a kid, getting a new phone was like a Christmas thing. But when you're an adult and like you work and you have money, you can do these types of things whenever you want. It's like Christmas all the time. Anyways, going to get it, and then my sister's coming over and I have to bring her to the airport. So fun stuff. Then I got a few more things in the mail. I will show you guys what I got. I'm going to the beach next week, so hopefully I can wear some of these tops and the bathing suit I got for the beach. That was kind of my thought process to justify my online shopping last week. Wanted to end this vlog off just with the pieces I got from Misguided. This is in no way sponsored. I am not there yet. I wish it was sponsored. This is just literally what I bought. So this is like this white little tie top. I think it's in a size 2. It's called the crepe bow front bralette, and it has really long little ties, which I love. Okay, next kind of blends in with the bedding, but it's this white little crop top, again, size 2. It's called the Milkmaid tie front bralette. It has like really extravagant puffy sleeves, which I think make like a statement on with like really simple jeans or something like that. Okay, if you guys follow Delaney Childs, this is like her collab with him. So this is a top and it has like really long, I don't even know what you would call it as well. I think I got this, they were out of my size, so I got a size 4. It fits well, honestly, and yeah, it's a bit more dressier, but I like it. Another one from Delaney's, I keep calling it a collab, I hope I'm saying that right. It's this little bandeau top, has like one shoulder. I think I got size 2, and it's called the Rib Halter Bralette, and it's in this like really pretty green. And sorry for like the blending of the bed, but this is like a little white corset top. I got it in a size 0. It's called a satin corset, plain and simple. Last thing, the 437 bikini. Oh, I'm drawing a blank on what this is called. It's one of their new ones, but both size small. I tried it on. The only problem is it's like, if you can see, it's very, very, very silky. So it kind of slips around like very easily, but you can tie the top like multiple ways because it's kind of just like a bandeau tie top. So I played around with it. I don't know, like it might just fall off in front of everybody. So we'll see. I'll keep you updated, but I mean, it's really comfortable. It's just really slipping and sliding around, especially with like this bandeau top if you have a chest. Well, that kind of ends the vlog. Just to like summarize, I never order from Misguided. Everything fit really well that I ordered, and you know that can be risky with an online order. So would highly recommend just checking out some of their summer stuff. Worked for me. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.